you that our young people, in spite of acquiring very high education, we become more selfish. Most of us doesn't even have the knowledge from which place to which place belongs to us. And some of us even doesn't teach our children our own dialect, saying that knowing our dialect will go nowhere. When you cannot speak the dialect that you claim to belong, then who will say that you belong to such and such community? My friend Dipu was saying the necessity of having a common dialect. It is absolutely necessary. But till such time, whatever dialects we, our forefathers and our parents speak, we should let our young people have a full knowledge about all the dialects, as well as we should learn our dialect very well. I'm surprised that many Zaliangrong leaders who sits in a very high-ranking office, their children does not know how to speak the mother tongue.
The real issues we are facing, illegal migrants, infiltration. Please go and see this highway side, Tamay side, Kangpopi side, and then Dimasa Asau, and Atibung and this Peren side. Lots of new villages. I don't know where they come from. They are occupying our land, and they are trying to make it this ancestral land or something like that. Please, my dear brothers and sisters, we are targeted because we are peace-loving people. We need to know where we stand, especially in Manipur. The kind of land encroachment in Zaliangrong areas happening is in front of us, and we tend to stay silent because it doesn't benefit individually, but it harms as a community, as a society. We, the present generation, should stand up that this is not done. We have seen in Konsapul issues, we were not able to unitedly not able to protect our land there. Our brothers and sisters were subjected to untold misery. Sonams, anyway, protect Sonam again. Then, what is the purpose of living as a community, as a nation, or as a society? हम लोग सोच के जीना पड़ेगा, because history will never forgive us.